Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at how much compensation you may be entitled to for injuries to the bowels if you've been involved in an accident which was due to the negligence of others. If you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Injuries to bowels can happen in a number of different ways, from a medical procedure that has gone wrong to serious accidents at work or road traffic accidents. But if you've been injured due to the negligence of others, you may be entitled to compensation. But how much? Well, I'm now going to take a look at our table for bowel injuries, where I'll break down different injury types and severities and how much you could expect to receive. It's important that you remember that these figures are just the awards for injuries and don't include any additional sums of compensation for things like loss of earnings or any other expenses, which could mean that your compensation claim amount may be significantly larger. Here's an example with this case study of a 46-year-old woman who needed a colostomy bag fitted following medical negligence. In total, she received £200,000 in compensation. So let's take a look at our bowel injury claim amount table. In front of us we have the table for bowel injury, and in the top category, this is for cases involving double incontinence, namely total loss of natural bowel function and complete loss of urinary function and control, together with other medical complications, and you can expect to receive anything up to £146,840. Then total loss of natural function and dependence on colostomy, depending on age. You could expect to receive anything up to £119,650. Then severe abdominal injury causing impairment of function and often necessitating temporary colostomy, leaving disfiguring scars and or restriction on employment and on diet. The average compensation for this, it could be anything from £35,540 all the way up to £55,590. Then finally, penetrating injuries causing some permanent damage but with an eventful return to natural function and control. You could expect to receive anything from £10,040 all the way up to £19,520. I'd like to once again emphasise that these figures are for your injuries alone and do not include the compensation for any loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the final compensation claim amount is likely to be larger. But in order to get a fuller idea of just how much compensation you may be entitled to, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist. The good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to discuss your claim further and go into more detail, like how much compensation for perforated bowel you may expect to get, and what is the average medical negligence compensation payouts for these types of injuries. Following this consultation, if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. What this means for you is that there won't be any upfront fees to worry about, and if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find useful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk.
Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.